We are IWC, a specialist EPC contractor providing industry-leading engineered thermal solutions to all industries. We have over 100 years of collective engineering experience, 30 plus years of pioneering cooling technology, and 14,500 plus successful cooling tower installations across Africa and the globe. IWC has offices and representatives throughout Africa, Australia, and India. Every project is different. Every solution is unique, all tailored to our clients' needs. Simply put, we create solutions that are built to last. Our product range includes cooling towers, heat exchangers, water treatment, chillers, as well as refurbishment and spares. Our engineering and project management services include technical assistance for designers and engineers and thermal design on cooling towers and heat exchangers. We also provide mechanical, piping, electrical, civil and structural design, which includes hydraulic flow calculations, stress analysis, FEA and CFD studies. Our range of services further include feasibility studies, detailed engineering, construction and commissioning. It's safe to say we balance technical know-how and creativity to develop thermal solutions that will best suit any process or industry. Quality is at the core of how we do business, and we constantly measure our processes against strict ISO standards. Our extensive portfolio of completed projects has earned us the trust of many heavyweight blue-chip clients across the globe, with relationships dating back 20 years. Some of our notable clients include Sasol, Anglo Platinum, Eskom, and Implats. Our large geographic footprint enables us to provide thermal solutions to a range of industries ranging from mining and minerals, petrochemical, agrochemical, power and manufacturing, to food and beverage. Our ongoing mission is to design and implement solutions that have a lower environmental impact by reducing water and energy usage, as well as carbon emissions. Always thinking, always creating, always delivering. We are IWC.